The Academy, what's going on, hustlers? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Ray. In this video, I'm gonna talk to you about anybody can go to Copart, bro. Anybody can go to Copart and buy cars. All right, you do not have to have a dealer license to be able to go in Copart and buy you some cars. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and explain just a couple of little things to you guys so we can be on the same page. Okay, number one. You can't buy clear title cars. So a clear title car is a car that's a clear title. You know, it hasn't been in an accident, hasn't been in a flood or anything. Nothing wrong with the car. Salvage title cars is what you can buy now. Salvage title car is a car that has been into an accident, a theft, stolen, you know, stuff like that. So you're not going to be able to buy the clear title cars, the cars that's just road ready to where you can drive right off the street, unless you're in a state that doesn't care about salvage titles and you can drive those on the street. You guys who live in those states, oh my God, I would try to get a license so quick if I was y'all, because you would be able to make so much money. But different states is like rules and regulations, and you know what I mean. So you feel me? So so you'll be able to get you a car, but you'll be you have to put it together type, and then you'll be able to sell the car. You know what I'm saying? Or drive the car rather, register the car. Now, how much does it cost to be able to do this? Let's go ahead and let me show you guys. Boom. You know I got to show y'all WHD Academy. Make sure you join my academy, my monthly membership. You know what I mean? Just at $1 a day, $30 a month. You can learn everything you need to know about the auction game, how to get your dealer license. You're going to get one video every single week, 50% off coaching calls, access to my private Discord, and the most important thing you're going to get, which you do not want to miss this. I'm going to show y'all how to get y'all licensed the easiest way. It don't matter what state you in, you know what I mean? So you'll have auction access, and you'll be able to buy you some cars. I got a whole auction list on there. All my tips and tricks. Literally, just check out the website, man, and you'll find out that I got literally everything in this course that you should be definitely successful. You should not be getting a limit after you look at my course, all right? But let's go back to the task at hand. So, boom. You're going to want to register. Now, this is the Copart website right here. All I did was go to, you know, create an account. You know what I mean? It's gonna bring you this page. Now I actually done filled some stuff in already, so, and I'm gonna hit individual, right? Well, click that individual. I did. Okay. Now, how much does it cost? It does cost 99 bucks. They keep changing it. I remember one time it was like $39, right? But now then it was 39. I think it was 49. It was 39, 59, and now it's 99. Boy, inflation, boy. Inflation. Okay, basic membership, buy one or a few cars a year, just at $99 per year. Membership is fully refundable within 7 days. The bidding, you can bid up to $2,000 with no deposit. Bid up to 5 vehicles at once with a deposit. Deposit 10% of total amount that you plan to bid, refundable. Okay, and this is the Premier, which is $250 a year. 400 refundable deposit. That's actually what we had to do. The 400. You can bid up to $100,000 daily. Bid up to 10 cars at once. This was at 5 cars at once. 400 one-time refundable. Vehicle alerts, this, that, and the third, and then you would sign up right there. So it's $99 to even get started. Now, you will need a broker. You know, now would need a broker. So this is also some stuff you're gonna have to pay. Now this is, you know, some of their featured brokers. I actually have a broker that you guys could also use in order to buy cars. In the link in the description below, you guys gonna see that ad right after this. But yeah, these are some of the brokers that you could use to buy you some cars from Copart. Now, as you can see, There are security deposits here as well, so keep that in mind. And they do charge a transaction fee depending on what what you call it, the price of the car you're gonna buy at. You know what I mean? But we're not gonna go over that, you know. But I do have a broker that you guys can use. But that is one thing that's pretty cool about Copart. Anybody can go, but make sure you guys check out my course curriculum, guys. You are really going to be set up for success when it comes to this business, because there's a lot of trash in the auction. All right, so I appreciate y'all for watching my video. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want me to address in the comments below, so we can go ahead and get these questions answered. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. WHD Academy. Peace.
whdacademy.com monthly membership
for as little as 30 cents to $1 a day.
Join my academy if you're interested in learning how to properly inspect cars, learn all my tips and tricks, and learn the easiest and the fastest way to get your auction license, no matter what state you in and without having an actual car lot. And we also do monthly giveaways. The link is in the description below.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.